how to use TikTok's AI content generator. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. TikTok requires creators to disclose when the content is made using AI tools. So, you need to follow TikTok's guidelines, and a new feature prompts creators to enable labeling for AI generated content during the video upload process. So I'll show you how to do it. Open up your TikTok and then go to your profile icon. You can do this before posting. So I'll show you how to do it from my drafts. So I'll open up my draft, and then before posting you'll see this page, so you can see more options. Tap on it, and here you'll be able to see AI generated content option. You just have to toggle it on, and once you turn it on, then this will help the viewers to know that the content was generated with AI, and you can just hit post. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.